Okay, so continuing the first space's focus on allowing publishers to trade collaboratively, if I can ask you to introduce yourself, to talk about your business and why you believe there are merits in publishers acting as a collective.
Okay, my name is Thomas Lee. I represent a global company called Cxense. We work exclusively with publishers all over the world, and really our mission in life is to enable publishers to try and understand everything that there is to understand about their what I would call most important asset, which is their users and their content. How that interacts in one unit, how they can use it effectively, both of course to create exciting brands or excite their brands, products, experience that the users interact with, as well as of course ensure the correct monetization strategy that is optimal for the individual publishers as well as collectively. The question with respect to why I believe publishers collectively stand better, I think as we have sort of moved digitally, and digitally is happening, there's no doubt that data-driven business is the way forward for businesses. If I look at myself being in the publishing world, my most important thing would be to try and optimize each shall I say click for the user in terms of value he perceives from me as a publisher, as well as the monetization. And this can only happen if publishers think clever about using data to excite and monetize. Collectively, there's an opportunity to obviously slice and dice in, shall I say, inventory and users in ways that are never ever seen before. And I think here we see a lot of upside for publishers going forward. Something that has not really traditionally happened, but more and more, many places in the world now, we see that it makes sense to, unlock the value across brands, across different groups, to maximize the opportunity.